Okay, very important next step. When you go to fold the click, you want to push this until you hear the click. That way you know it's steady. Okay, and then we're going to bring the handles up here. We'll do this one here first. And, whoop, getting away from me here. You bring this up, and it is adjustable, fully adjustable. You just push the button down. And I'm going to adjust it just to the second one for the terms of this. I'm going to do the same one on this side right now.
Okay.
So now we have a storage bag. And we'll put it reflective side out. And it zips. And you just hook this to these little brackets here. Just like that. And that can be washed with water if it gets dirty. No problem there. And you can store whatever you want to in there. So that's kind of nice. I like that. So, fully mobile. And so I haven't mentioned this yet, but this is a seat also. So when you get tired, you can sit down. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. All right. You ready? So if you're sitting and you don't want to slide around, these are the brakes. These are the hand brakes, so you can use them to hand brake. But also if you're sitting and you just want to stay locked, you just push these down simultaneously, and you're locked. Locked in place. Very nice. So I will say, I'm sitting on the Planet Walk Rollator. I am a hefty guy. I go 250 easy. Very comfortable for me. Very much wide enough, and there's room for a couple more inches of me in here. It's holding me quite well. The brakes hold me quite well. The instructions, as compared to a lot of instructions from products that I get, are very good. We put this together right in front of you. I did not pre-read the instructions. We did it right in front of you. This is a very quality product. This is a good, strong product. I am not a little guy, and it's holding me very good. Go out and get your Planet Walk Rollator today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.